Veesion is an AI that automatically detects theft in real time in your store. In fact, it's a small box that's connecting to your existing CCTVs and is able to detect suspicious movement of your customers.
The artificial intelligence in this system is like having a separate security guard watching every camera, constantly looking out for suspicious behaviour.
So there are 3 types of AI we are able to detect, let's say. So the first type is human recognition. The second one is about body parts, analyzing the body parts. And the third type is about items, because of course the AI should be able to make the difference between mobile phone, between a lot of stuff that are not useful to detect.
The computer then automatically detects 5 different types of movement that a shoplifter will make. Hiding items in bags, under coats or prams, or bulk stealing of the same item. The system is also clever enough to detect those shoplifters who put items in the basket first before hiding them in their pocket when they think no one is watching. And there's a 5th.
So I'm coming into a store, I'm doing my shopping like normal, and then I'm starting to eat something inside the store.
And once a suspicious behaviour is identified, an alert is created.
So let's say I come inside the store and I take an item, I put it in my jacket, in my purse. The AI will detect it, will cut a video footage between 8 to 10 seconds of the shoplifting itself. So the AI is watching the CCTVs, and that's all it's doing. Like let's imagine you have a security guard watching all the day your CCTVs. It's exactly the same, but it's able to watch multiple screens at the same time. A security guard, a good one, is able to watch 6 screens at the same time. An AI, of course, you can guess it's hundreds and hundreds of screens at the same time.